Halo, good evening. My name is Hadar Sili Hadramardana. You can call me Hadar. I'm a college student pharmacist in Togorjo Medical School. Today, I will give you information about terminology, specialist terminology pharmacist. What is terminology? Terminology is a general word, the group or specialist word of meaning relating in a particular field. Also, the study of such terms and their use. This is also known as terminology science. The study of terminology includes formation and connection of terms with a culture. There are several things summarized in the field of terminology include 1. Analyze the concept and structure of concept used in a field. 2. Looking for the meaning of term for the concept. 3. In the case of terminology of two or more languages, determines the similarity between terms in various languages. 4. Manage the entry database of terms. 5. Create new vocabulary if needed. And then example prescription. Underline let inscriptio, information doctor place and date receipts. Underline green invocation, symbol R. Underline yellow prescription drug for patient. Underline purple signature use drug. Underline blue subscription paraph doctor. Underline violet pro for name address wake patient. For example, terminology of pharmacist. 1. Allergen. 2. Allergy. 3. Anemia. 4. Alkalosis. 5. Anabolism. Thanks for watching. Maybe useful. God bless you.